Hey guys, just doing an update video on my Cobot robotic vacuum cleaner. This one is roughly 5 months old. The original one I had wouldn't turn on and wouldn't take a charge. Again, there's two ways to charge it: through the base where it connects here, or you can plug it in and charge it that way, and my original one wouldn't charge either way. So just a little overview again on having this one for 5 months. One thing I usually do every couple weeks is I take the, you'd call it your dirt canister, I guess, and I clean this out. That's the top to it. And also this is your filter. Usually what I'll do is I'll clean it out with hot water and let it dry. And it's just as easy as putting in your canister here for your dirt. Slides in and the top goes on. One thing I have noticed when you try to open it, the canister goes in here, is the button is getting quite hard to open, and you really have to put a lot of force on to open it. And little view inside. There. So what you do is this, a little push down. Where it spins for picking up the dirt. If you have any type of hair, yarn, anything, it gets jammed up in the corners quite easily. And what you have to do is make sure that this is free of hair and whatnot. If not, what will happen is the vacuum will run for 5 to 10 seconds and then will shut off. So always make sure that that's nice and clean. And again, you can see the condition of these. Other than that, it's the only issue I've had on the underside here. So when the vacuum's charging, this orange light will flash. Now I just took it off the base to show you the inside and underneath of it. So I just put it back on the base, so that's why it's flashing. However, it should be fully charged. This is the base that it charges at, and again, it's been really good so far. Once it's almost out of a charge, it will return to the base, and it actually backs up and connects to the base. To start the Cobot vacuum, it's just a matter of pressing the button. Head here, it actually came out on this side here. So what I had to do is just pull it up as it was pushed down and put it back in the holder. That's the first time that's happened, but anytime there is a malfunction with these, it will shut off. Again, as I mentioned, if you get anything in the corners where it stops this from spinning, it will shut off. But again, that's the first time that that's happened, where that head's actually popped off there. Alright, so I fixed the head, so I flipped it over, and let's see if it goes more than 5 or 10 seconds. So it works well, it gets underneath things. Have a dining room set here, and it will actually go underneath the table, in around all the chair legs, and doesn't get stuck. One thing you do have to notice, if you do have any cables, as you see there, sometimes it will get jammed up on the cable, so if you have any on your floors, you got to make sure that they're out of the way. So you can see sometimes it will bounce around a little bit till it figures out which way it's going to go. And there it goes. Now I do have wood floor as well as tile. I use it in my kitchen too, on the tile floor. One thing I will mention is I have a shag rug in my living room, and it will not go on that. If it goes on it, it might run for a couple seconds and then it stops. So if you really have any type of carpeting, I find they don't work very well on it. They're meant more for smooth floors. Anyways guys, as far as the charging with this, it will actually run for about 2 hours before it does go back to the base, which is about almost the same amount that it would run when it was new about 5 months ago. So the charging, it's still working fine. It's holding its charge and still has quite a long run time. Would I recommend it? I'll end up doing another review. Oh, it's stuck on Santa. I will end up doing another review in a few months just to keep you up to date on how it's working. Right now, it's functioning fine. However, long-term durability, we'll have to wait and see. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you are interested in reviews such as this, and I do reviews and restorations on farm equipment, farm tractors. I'm actually working on a smart car, and lots of exciting things like that. You may want to subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care and have a great day.